Okay guys, today I'm going to show you another CPA marketing for beginners method. Well, actually I'm going to show you how you can increase your earnings by 5 times. Yes, 5 times. And not just that, but I'm actually going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use to promote your CPA offers. And this method is beginner friendly and it is 100% free, so it will cost you nothing. Well, actually it will cost you just some work, and that's it. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find something that we will give away for free to these people in order for them to submit their email or to fulfill the survey. And for that we are going to use a website called PDF Drive. And now we need to find that ebook. Now I know that keto diet is really popular right now. So here in the search bar, I will simply search for keto diet. Okay, and then press enter. And here you can see all the keto diet related ebooks that you can use for free. So for example, when I click here on this first one, I will see that keto diet, the step-by-step keto cookbook to gain ketosis. Here you can see this ebook was published 2018. And when people click here on download, they can download this ebook totally free. They don't have to pay anything. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy the link to this ebook and I need to paste it in Notepad because I'm going to need that ebook later. Okay, so next thing I need to do, I actually need to create a URL locker. Now for that I'm going to use CPA grip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network. But this is the thing that will increase your conversion rate. So what you need to do, you need to click here on templates and you need to choose one of these templates, as you can see here. Now I personally like this one here where it says human verification. Why? Because this converts best in my experience, because people are used to human verifications. They see human verification everywhere and they will do this without thinking because they see this thing everywhere. They need to verify that they are real human beings, so they will do this automatically without thinking, and that will increase your conversion rate significantly. So what we need to do next, we need to go back here on general, and you can leave these things as it is or you can change them if you want. And what you need to do, you actually need to scroll here and click where it says logged URL. You need to actually paste a link to the ebook that we found on PDF Drive. And what you need to do next, you need to click here on show offer manager, and then here you need to choose a country. So I will just say, for example, United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom, and then here I can choose different CPA offers related to food, for example. So let me just find, let's just say I will use these offers here, and after you finish, just click here on hide offers, and that's it. You created your URL locker. Really simple, really easy. You can do this in just 2 minutes. So what you need to do next, you need to scroll here and click on save. Okay, so this is my cpagrip URL content locker. So when I click here, this is the link. So I need to actually copy this link and I need to paste that link here in Notepad because I'm going to need that link. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to make a bridge page because many companies, many big websites, they actually don't like CPA marketing. So what you can do is you can actually go here on Google Sites, and here you can see I named my Google site free ebooks, and here you can see I already added 2 ebooks. So what you need to do, you simply here where it says download for free, then here you actually need to copy your CPA grip, in this case CPA grip URL content locker, and you need to click here and highlight this. Okay, and then click here on this little chain and paste that here, click here on apply, and that's it. You need to do that exactly the same thing for this ebook here, and you can promote as many ebooks as you want, as many CPA offers as you want. Now, preferably from same niche and from same country, but you don't have to promote same CPA offers from same country and CPA offers from same niche. Like I said, that is the best practice, but you don't have to do that. Now, when I click here, I can see how my Google site looks. As you can see, free ebooks. When someone click here, it will be taken to my URL locker. Okay, so what I need to do next, I need to start promoting my Google site, my bridge page. Now for that, we actually need to go to a website called Pexels. And then here we need to search for keto diet. Okay, keto diet, and then press enter. And then click here on filters, and then here orientations, and then click here on vertical. Now why I use Pexels? Because Pexels will give you royalty-free videos. That is really important. And you need to choose vertical because they take most real estate. So what we are looking for? We are looking for we are looking for a most interesting video. So for example, this actually looks like an interesting video. What you need to do, you simply need to click here, and then you need to click here and choose the dimensions, and you need to download this video to your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva, and then here you need to upload that video, and then you need to simply drag that video here. Okay, here you can see. And now you need to add your call to action. So for that, I will click here on elements, and then I'm going to click here, okay? And I'm going to choose this square. So for example, I'm going to move that here, okay? And like this, something like this. And I can actually make this to be black, okay? To be black and to be semi-transparent, something like this. As you can see, it is now semi-transparent, and now I need to add my call to action. So I will simply click here on this T for text, and I'm going to choose one of these text styles. So for example, this one here, and I don't need this, so I'll delete this. And here I need to add my call to action. And for that, you can simply go back here on PDF drive, and for the purpose of this video, you can simply copy this and then go back here, and I'm going to double click here, paste it here, and I'm going to make this to be smaller like this. And I'm going to make it to be like this, and also to be center and bit larger like this, okay? And these letters to be white, okay? So click here on white, and I'm going to move that here, okay, in this box. And here you can see how this actually looks. So what I need to do, I actually need to make this to be center, okay, like this, okay? And what I need to do next, I need to click here on share, and then click here on download, and then choose here MP4 and download this video to your desktop. And the next thing we need to do, we need to go on Pinterest. We are going to use Pinterest because most of the Pinterest users are women, and women are into keto diet, into weight loss, okay? So what you need to do, you need to click here on create, and then click here on create a pin. And here we need to upload our video. So simply click here, and then let's just find that video that we created in Canva. This is the video, okay? And here you can see, this is the video. Here we need to add a title, and that title should include our main keyword. We need to add a description, and also that description should contain our main keyword. In this case, it is keto diet, okay? And also, this is really important for Pinterest videos. Tags are really important. So here we are going to search for keto diet, okay? Keto diet. And I'm going to use diet and nutrition, and again, here's keto diet, and I'm going to use ketogenic diet, and add as many tags as you can. Here you can choose different cover image. Now I don't need to do that because video is short. This video is really short, and it really doesn't matter what cover is. It is always the same. But this is also really important. Here where it says add a destination link, you actually need to go back here on your Google site, and you need to copy this link here, okay? Control C, go back here on Pinterest, and you need to add that link here. And then choose the right board and click here on publish, and you will publish this pin. Pinterest like videos. Videos are getting more attention. Pinterest is pushing videos more than regular images, than regular Pinterest pins, and that is why your videos are more likely to go viral than your images. That is why you should use videos, and like I said, try to find as interesting as possible videos to upload on Pinterest. Just edit them a bit, and like I said, you can find royalty-free videos here on Pexels, and you can use them to upload them on Pinterest, edit them a bit, and to promote your CPA offers. So what you need to do, you simply need to create these videos every day, and you need to upload as many videos as you can, at least one video per day. And trust me guys, you will start getting traffic, you will start getting clicks, people will fulfill your surveys because, like I said, they are used to human verification, and they will fulfill the survey to prove that they are real human beings, and you will make money, and this will increase your conversion rate. And as you can see, this is really simple, really easy CPA marketing method for beginners. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.